Hello and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is the AUTOOL digital cylinder pressure gauge, which utilizes digital sensing technology and high-precision chips to display pressure values. Equipped with a one-way valve, it accurately locks the maximum pressure value of the cylinder. Comes with various connectors to support cylinder pressure testing for most engines on the market. Includes a data storage feature that records 6 sets of pressure measurement data, facilitating comparison and observation to identify fault points. Next is a tool aid test lead pack, which includes 5 colored test leads designed to provide cost-effective testing solutions for multimeters and other diagnostic tools that accept standard 4mm banana plugs. Features 60-inch test leads with flexible silicone insulation, rated for up to 10 amps and Cat 3 1000 volt and Cat 4 600 volt. Next is the TOPDON 1, which is a 10.1-inch automotive diagnostic tool designed for technicians looking for fast, accurate, and reliable diagnostics. It delivers dealer-level capability with clear network mapping, smart repair guidance, and deep coverage across modern vehicle systems. With support for advanced protocols, coding functions, and the speed of dual Wi-Fi architecture, the one aims to keep workflow moving. Next is the Hobart Square Toe Chelsea boot from Steel Blue Work Boots, which is a 6-inch elastic-sided Chelsea boot with an Ergo Defender steel toe cap, giving the wearer room to move. The new style is ideal for technicians looking for all-day comfort thanks to the Tri-Sole comforting technology system. The high-traction TPU outsole provides superior durability with slip and oil resistance and heat resistance to 260 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, our last tool is Matco Tools' X-Series 3-drawer tool carts, which are built to enhance productivity. The X-Series accessory system is designed to streamline their users' workflow and keep essential tools within easy reach. The Matco X-Series rails let the user customize their cart with a variety of specialized attachments sold separately, while the top seal cutout provides a clear view and easier access without reaching over the cart's lip. Available in black, green, blue, purple, and gray. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. As always, if any of these products piques your interest, give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following links below. See you next week.